This work introduces the framework Eclares, energy-aware, clarity-driven ergodic search for persistent coverage missions. Ergodic search method is used to generate coverage trajectories which spend more time in high information regions, highlighted in red, while quickly exploring the low information regions. Information distribution in the region is captured by target information spatial distribution. Current methods either represent this distribution as uniform distribution, which assign equal importance to all points in the domain, or with multiple Gaussian peaks, which assign higher importance to some regions in the domain. These representations can model spatiostatic and spatiotemporal environments with known variation, however, lack the ability to represent stochastic spatiotemporal environments. Before going further, we first describe these three kinds of environments. Now let's consider a domain discretized into a number of cells. We take a cell and describe its behavior in three different environments. For spatiostatic environment, the quantity of interest in the cell remains the same. In spatiotemporal environment, the quantity of interest changes with known variation. However, stochastic spatiotemporal environment has random or unpredictable variations. One example of such environment is wildfire spread. As the dynamics of the wildfire spread cannot be predicted exactly, it is a stochastic spatiotemporal environment. In order to construct target information distribution, we use clarity, an information measure we proposed in our recent work. Clarity is bounded between 0 and 1, with 0 representing no knowledge and 1 representing full knowledge. We use clarity to construct the target information spatial distribution for two main reasons. First, clarity-based construction can capture information decay due to lack of measurements. And secondly, it quantifies the maximum attainable information in stochastic spatiotemporal environments. Now let's see how to construct the target information spatial distribution using clarity. Let's consider two cells in the discretized coverage domain. We model quantity of interest in each cell as an independent stochastic process. For each cell, we have initial clarity, target clarity, and maximum attainable clarity. In this cell, as the target clarity to acquire is higher than the maximum attainable clarity, we adjust the target to be less than the maximum attainable clarity. Then we forward propagate the initial clarity through the clarity dynamics to get the time taken for initial clarity to reach target clarity. We repeat this procedure for all cells in the domain and set delta t to be the target information spatial density at each cell. The target information spatial distribution can then be used to generate ergodic trajectory. However, for persistent coverage mission, robot battery capacity must also be taken into consideration. Therefore, we introduce an online eWare filter to iteratively generate committed trajectories. Committed trajectories are the green candidate trajectories, which ensures robot's safe return to the charging station. In the case when a candidate trajectory is not able to take the quadrotor back to the charging station, it is considered as invalid. Then, the quadrotor follows the last committed trajectory back to the charging station. We verify our proposed framework in a light UAV simulator by constructing a hypothetical scenario. The target information spatial distribution shown as a point cloud is updated iteratively to generate new ergodic trajectories. It can be seen that the quadrotor safely comes back to the charging station before its energy depletes. The results show that the proposed method outperformed the baseline methods. For more details, please see the paper.